Hi everyone, Andrew here, your Stuttering Tech. Today I'm checking out the world's first transformable wireless microphone, the Boya Magic. This thing right here isn't just another mic, it's literally 4 different microphones in one. So let's break down why I think this might be one of the most fun and flexible mics for creators in 2025. The Boya Magic can transform into 4 unique setups: handheld, lavalier, desktop, and on-camera mic, all from one single kit. Right now, I've got it in my favorite configuration, the handheld mode. All you do is take one of the transmitters and snap it right into the top slot of the charging case. You'll notice these tiny holes up top. They're actually sound ports that allows your voice to pass through clean and clear. You even get a little wind muff you can pop on for outdoor interviews. Now, if you'd rather go hands-free, the transmitters can be used in a traditional orientation as wireless lavs. You can clip it directly onto your shirt, or, and this is a cool touch, use the included magnet to attach it discreetly. Just look how tiny these transmitters are, and they're very lightweight, so they don't weigh your shirt down. Super convenient for quick interviews or walk and talk vlogs. Next, you can attach the charging case to a mini tripod and use it like a desktop mic or for podcasting or Zoom calls. And lastly, you can mount it as an on-camera mic. Now, it doesn't come with a cold shoe adapter, which is a bit of a mess, but I'll leave a link in the description for this one from NEEWER that fits perfectly. I picked up the Boya Magic 02 package that includes 3 receivers: a USB-C, a Lightning, and one for cameras. But if you just need it for mobile, you can grab the version that comes with just a USB-C or Lightning adapter. And depending on which one you're using, you can always have it with you. It magnetically attaches to the bottom of the charging case. That's so cool. You're also getting a full set of accessories: a pair of furry dead cats for the transmitters, one for the charging case, all your cables, and a nice little carrying pouch. So right now I'm in the park watching my son's flag football game, and yeah, it's very sunny out here, very bright, and I'm using my DJI Action 5 Pro with the Boya Magic, and yeah, I can see myself, I'm looking a-okay, and I'm using it in handheld mode because, again, this is the way how it sounds best. Now you should be hearing an ambulance, and you should be hearing the kids and the whistles blowing and all that. So now I'm going to switch it to the weak noise reduction mode so you guys can hear how that sounds. And yeah, right now there's a helicopter overhead, so let me go ahead and turn it on. So now it's on weak noise reduction, and that's what you should be hearing right now. It should have drowned out a lot of that background or noise and all the ambience from outside and the whistles and everything. So yeah, it should be sounding good. And let me switch back to normal. Now I'm back on normal mode. Yes, no noise reduction turn off. You guys let me know what you think of the weak noise reduction down in the comments, and then I'm gonna go ahead and, which unfortunately I have to plug it into my phone and then switch it to strong, set it to strong, and then come back. Then I gotta plug it back into the Action 5 Pro and then turn it on, activate it for it to be on. So I went ahead and connected the receiver to my phone, changed the noise reduction mode to strong. That way I can activate it using the on the mic, which is the only downside I see to these mic. And it's not just this mic, it's the DJI Mic Mini as well. You have to go ahead and set it up in within the mobile app in order to select what mode or what strength of noise reduction you want. So right now I'm on normal. I'm going to switch it over to the noise reduction, to the strong noise reduction mode. Yeah. So now I'm on the strong noise reduction mode, and this is what you're hearing. It should be stronger, or it should be blacking out a lot more noise than when it was in the weak. So you guys let me know what you think and how my voice sounds. Hopefully it's not sounding tinny, but I won't be able to look listen to it back until I'm editing this in post. But let me know what you think in the comments. So this is how the Boya Magic will sound as an on-camera microphone, and I'm using it with the DJI Action 5 Pro. And because the DJI Action 5 Pro doesn't need to be that far away from you because it has a wide field of view, it keeps me in frame, and also the mic is closer to my mouth as if you was using a traditional mirrorless camera, which I think would you would need to be farther depending on the lens you have. But because this has such a wide field of view, I can be as close as possible. I can literally touch the mic by just doing this, and yeah, it looks great and it should sound great. But you guys let me know what you think of it in the comments. Now let's talk software. The Boya Central app unlocks a bunch of features. You can toggle noise reduction and change the strength, check your battery levels, adjust the mic gain, enable safety track, change the EQ settings, and even see real-time levels for each transmitter. The app is also used to update the firmware. Let's talk price. At the time of recording this video, the Boya Magic is on sale on Amazon for $123.49. That's 25% off. Or if you just want the Type C bundle, that's $89, which is 34% off. Overall, the Boya Magic really lives up to its name. It's fun, flexible, and honestly, the most transformable wireless mic I've ever used. I love using it handheld because it gives the best sound quality. But it's nice to know I can flip into lav mode, desktop mode, or even camera tap mode anytime I want. If you're a content creator who likes switching between vlogging, interviews, and voiceovers, this might just be the magic wand your setups been missing. I'll leave the links below for the full kit, the cold shoe adapter, and everything I mentioned. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which mic setup is your favorite. I'm Andrew, your Stuttering Tech, and I'll see you in the next one. A peace out.